Let me show you how you can unlock your POCO X7 Pro when you forgot your screen lock. So first of all, you will have to use, just simple power off method. So you can click and hold power key or power key and the volume up button. When you got this power off menu, just simply swipe up. And next we have to wait a few seconds until the device will be completely turned off. And now you will have to click and hold power key and volume up button together. So let's do this right now. And when this logo appears on the screen, we have to release power key and keep holding volume up button to enter for recovery mode. Now just wait, as you can see, here we are. Now we have to scroll with the volume down button, select wipe data and click power key. Now you have to remember that you are gonna delete everything from your phone. So you will lost all of your data, like photos, videos and stuff like this. And this is like the only way to actually bypass the forgotten screen lock. So now click on the volume down button, select wipe all data, scroll with the power key, select confirm, and now as you can see, this process is on the way. So it will take around few moments or few minutes, depends of how many data you have on your phone. Then you have to click to back to the main menu, or if it is not working, click on the power key, then select reboot to system with the power key, and now just wait until your phone turns on. After this, you will be welcomed with the first setup screen. You can just set up your phone and then the lock screen will be gone. Thanks for watching, please leave a like and subscribe.